Your Pacifica's Uconnect screen didn't just randomly die. There are 4 reasons these screens fail, and most of them start long before the screen goes black. The most common one, delamination. The screen is built in layers, a touch sensor bonded to an LCD with adhesive. Heat and UV exposure break that adhesive down over time. The layers separate, you get bubbles, ghost touches, dead zones. It's a physical failure. A reset won't fix it. The second cause, software bugs. Frozen screens, random reboots, CarPlay dropping, these are usually firmware issues, not hardware. Third, blown fuse or loose wiring. If your screen is completely black but the radio and AC still work, check the infotainment fuse first. Fourth, the radio module itself. A faulty module can fail to shut down properly, drain your battery overnight, and cause repeated reboot cycles. The bottom line, if you're seeing bubbles or ghost touches, that's delamination. The screen assembly is the problem, not the entire head unit, and replacing just the screen is a fraction of what the dealer charges to swap the whole unit.